Welcome back to JumpStart IT Academy channel. I am your host, Chris. We're going to be talking today about the top 5 programming languages for you to learn in 2025. The reason we want to get into this is because it is widely understood, or at least a tradition in America, that people would make New Year's resolutions. And I personally don't believe in New Year's resolutions. I believe in maintaining a lifestyle. But nonetheless, I do understand that that's what some people do. And if you do that, or if you want to maintain a lifestyle, it doesn't really matter because I'm here to help you accomplish whatever your goals are. And I do understand that some of you have goals to become, future tech leaders. Some of you have goals of simply entering the tech industry and see what you are capable of accomplishing. My goal is to ensure that you are empowered and you have the tools that will mobilize and help you crystallize your goals, your ambitions, your plan, or whatever vision that you have for your tech career path. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to pull up an article, and so we're going to go ahead and pull up this article right here, and we're going to look at the top 5 programming languages for you to learn in 2025. Let's go ahead and get to the meat of this. So, why you should care. With technology evolving at lightning speed, the programming languages you choose to learn can make or break your career. In 2025, certain languages will stand out, offering substantial opportunities for growth and innovation. As industries become increasingly reliant on technology, the demand for skilled programmers continues to rise. If you want to stay competitive, understanding these languages is essential. This article will explore the 5 programming languages poised to dominate 2025, ensuring that you're well prepared for the opportunities that lie ahead in your tech career. The number 1 is Python. Python, from my understanding, just from a network engineering perspective, that's one of the popular languages that new network engineers are using. I say new because in my time as a network engineer, it wasn't required to learn a programming language, but with software-defined networking, network engineers have to learn programming. And so I know that Python is very popular towards the tail end of my networking engineer career. I basically was starting to learn Python. So why learn Python? Python has become a cornerstone in programming world due to its simplicity and versatility. It is widely used across various sectors, including web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence, which a rich ecosystem of libraries like TensorFlow for machine learning and Django for web applications. Python opens doors for both beginners and experienced developers. Your future prospects. Given the growing focus on data science and AI, Python's popularity is expected to soar. Companies are actively seeking professionals proficient in Python to analyze data and develop machine learning models. By learning Python, you position yourself as a valuable asset in the job market. Next is JavaScript. Again, why learn JavaScript? JavaScript remains the backbone of web development, enabling interactivity and dynamic content on websites. Its evolution has been remarkable, especially with frameworks like React and Vue.js, which enhance user experiences and streamline front-end web development. Your future prospects. The demand for JavaScript developers is set to increase as web applications grow more complex. By mastering JavaScript in 2025, you not only prepare for roles in web development, but also in full stack development. Now, if you don't know what full stack development is, it's essentially someone who basically creates the full stack of the development experience, meaning that they create the front end, plus they manage or develop the back end components. Let's say, for example, the front end of a user's experience is the web page. The back end would be the application, any additional application components and calls to other applications, databases, things of that nature, just a repository to put the information and things of that nature. So a full stack developer would be somebody that just basically handles the whole thread. It's a good deal of responsibility, but when you get to bigger projects, you're going to have I would say you're going to have to separate those responsibilities. Usually, the separation would be there's a database administrator, there's a web developer, and then you'll have an application developer, and then you kind of have the other pieces come together by other professionals as well. But nonetheless, that's the difference between a front end developer, which creates the web page, and a full stack developer, which basically, like I was saying, creates the whole thread. Continuing, Rust is the third programming language that's recommended for 2025. Why learn Rust? Rust is rapidly gaining traction as a systems programming language that prioritizes safety and performance. Its unique approach to memory management helps developers write efficient, reliable code while minimizing common bugs. Your future prospects. With industries increasingly emphasizing security and performance, Rust is likely to see significant adoption. Its growing use in areas like game development and embedded systems makes it a smart choice for developers looking to future-proof their skills. Number 4, Go, or Golang. Why learn Go? Go, developed by Google, is celebrated for its simplicity and efficiency, especially in building scalable applications. Its robust support for concurrent programming makes it ideal for cloud-based services and microservices architecture. Your future prospects. As the shift towards cloud computing and microservices continues, Go's popularity will likely rise. Learning Go in 2025 equips you with essential skills needed to thrive in modern software development environments. Number 5, why learn Swift? Swift is the primary programming language for iOS and Mac OS app development. Its modern syntax and powerful features allow developers to create fast, efficient applications, making it essential for anyone interested in mobile development. Your future prospects. As mobile development applications gain traction, learning Swift opens valuable opportunities in the expanding mobile tech market. With Apple's ecosystem continuously growing, Swift developers will remain in high demand. In conclusion, in 2025, mastering any of these top 5 programming languages, Python, number 1, number 2, JavaScript, number 3, Rust, and number 5, Go, and number 6, Swift, will significantly enhance your career prospects and keep you ahead of the curve in the tech industry. Each language offers unique strengths, catering to various fields such as web development, data science, and mobile app development. By investing the time in these languages, you'll be well prepared to tackle the challenges associated with tomorrow's tech landscape. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned developer, these programming languages will be essential tools in your career toolkit, helping you to unlock new opportunities and achieve your professional goals. And that's the whole goal of me presenting this information to you, because I want you to be successful in 2025. I want you to be successful in the tech industry. So I wanted to present these top 5 programming languages in 2025 to give you a boost, to give you motivation, to give you some ideas to ponder. Go ahead and do your research. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comments, go ahead and put them in the comment section and just get the discussion started. But I do hope that this has been beneficial to you, and I look forward to bringing some more good information to you in the near future with the next video. Salute. If you like what you heard, like, share, comment, and share the word, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.